Welcome back to the MSU Assessment channel. This video is part of the SPOL Assessment Platform tutorial series and is brought to you by the Institutional Assessment Team at Murray State University. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to create the analysis and use of results for academic programs. Before we proceed, let's briefly review our understanding of analysis of results and use of results in the context of assessment. In a nutshell, analysis of results examines and interprets the data collected during an assessment to draw meaningful conclusions. Simply restating the findings or relying solely on one measure to assess the program learning outcome's overall achievement is insufficient. The use of results, on the other hand, explains and justifies how the results and findings led to concrete actions or improvements. In the assessment world, we call this the closing of the loop. The use of results should be ongoing, with continuous monitoring and adjustment. It is a common misconception that only favorable results are worth acting upon. But in reality, negative or unexpected results often provide the most valuable insights for improvement. All this suggests that some results may require further investigation, gradual implementation, or may inform long-term planning rather than immediate action. Now, to create your analysis and use of results, make sure you have selected the correct academic year from the Planning or Reporting Year drop-down menu on the SPOL homepage. Then, click the Assessment module icon. From the Assessment sidebar, click the All Assessments link. You should be redirected to the All Assessments by Program page. Then, select the PLO which the analysis and use of results narratives will be created. For this example, we are selecting PLO 3. You will then be redirected to the Program Learning Outcome Details page. Now, click the Results tab. From the Results tab, click the Analysis of Results heading or its corresponding blue plus button. When the Add Analysis of Results window pane appears, select the correct year. In the narrative box field, enter your outcome analysis. Don't forget to click Save. Your analysis narrative should then display under the Analysis of Results heading. Now, click the Use of Results heading or its corresponding blue plus button. When the Add Use of Results window pane appears, select the correct year. In the narrative box field, enter your outcome's use of results. Finally, click Save. Your use of results narrative should then display under the Use of Results heading. Please note that the Analysis and Use of Results sections include guiding questions to assist you in writing your narratives. Simply click the information icon to view these questions. And there you have it. You just created your Analysis and Use of Results narrative. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to MSU Assessment YouTube channel for more helpful tutorials and updates. Or contact us at msu.assessment@murraystate.edu if you have any questions. For more information about outcomes assessment at Murray State, please visit our website by clicking the About link in the description box below. Happy assessing, and go Racers!